Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. I have simplified the chart a little bit, not really changed anything, just simplified so it's easier to read here on the long-term chart. Still looking at the option here of an Elliott wave triangle in yellow in this scenario. However, the price must not break and sustain above $2, right? And we haven't reached $2 yet. We might still do it. The structure here, specifically the rally from the July low, would look best with one more high. But again, the third wave is the main element normally, right? Third wave is normally what Elliott wave traders are trading for. If you did add positions in this wave 2 that we talked about down here, then you are likely well in profit, and it can make sense to at least move your stop to, well, break even, or you take some partial profits, but only you can decide that. Remember, down here there was an accumulation area, support area, and whenever we move from support into resistance and we're just below a critical mark of $2, then, well, the reward to risk profile obviously changes significantly. But how you're trading this, well, with which objectives and everything, obviously depends on you and your own risk profile, trading plan, portfolio, and so on. Just wanted to highlight that we have moved from the lower boundary of our trading range or sideways range to resistance. Now, we now could have started this fourth wave that we see on the long-term chart, and then we might still get one more high, okay? And I mean, in the Elliott wave triangle, this would be an internal, ABC structure in wave D, and the C wave is a 5-wave move, which is why we're tracking here potential 5 up. Which could still test that $2 level. I mean, if it gets to $2.01, $2.02, it's not going to invalidate the yellow count, but a sustained break above it does. And then blue will become way more likely. And the blue count then still allows for another 4-5 pattern, which is also what I'm tracking for Bitcoin, which still doesn't mean we have to get to a new all-time high, but we could certainly test it and maybe break above it, yeah, in this blue count. I mean, if we talk about, and I'm not too confident about the blue count that it's an ABC and this C wave is a 5-wave move, but it's something that I'm considering at the moment. Nothing new, we talked about that as well, but in this scenario, the standard projection is the 100% extension at $5. That's the first ideal target for the fifth wave. Now, anybody who entered down here would already be positioned, I guess. The next option to maybe look for a, let's say, low-risk entry for a pullback trader would be this internal wave 4 that could be unfolding. We're going to take a look at the smaller time frame in a minute. Here, support is between 84 cents and $1.19. And then if we break out, then there should be another 4-5. So maybe this fourth wave highlighted here in blue could also be another option to get into a position with sort of low risk. And a good price before the final fifth wave starts. Whether it's going to be $5 or $9.81, which is the next level above, will determine how high the third wave extends, right? And then also how that fourth wave, how deep the fourth wave goes. Now, again, I'm not too confident about all these microstructures. I mean, that third wave might, the problem is, the third, it doesn't necessarily need another 4-5, okay? In the yellow count, it does as a 5-wave move in wave C, but the third wave could simply be an ABC structure. So, you know, we might see the larger fourth, you know, at any point. But the main takeaway is, for now, we are very extended. Be ready for a pullback. There are some fib levels to watch. Let's see how that correction unfolds. Maybe, I'm not even sure if this fourth has started yet. It's too early to say. But the risk is high up there around the $2 mark. Support levels are defined. And yeah, let's see how the price reacts to $1.19 to 84 cents. Let's take a look at the shorter time frame. It seems like some kind of a correction has started. Again, also here, you know, it's not a great structure down here, so I'm not too confident about it. But that could be distortions, you know. It's even possible there's two finished here, because in some charts this is even lower. So I'm not, you know, again, we have a wave count that allows us to come up with some levels that are actionable, but it might not be the perfect one just because these charts aren't perfect. All right, so at the moment the idea is that maybe this is the wave 4, It might be still, you know, an internal wave 4 within this third wave, but that's what I'm not sure about, because we broke upper micro support, smallest support. So support is now 119 to 84 cents. We need to see how this structure develops. We could still see another extension in wave 3, but the microstructure is just not clear or precise enough to really be very confident about one more extension in wave 3 can happen. The main takeaway, I think, from this video is that as we are extended in the third and just below a key breakout point, the risk is high. Support underneath keeps us safe. That's the support area below 84 cents. I would definitely be careful, because this would be a break below the 50% retracement and would indicate some kind of a break of structure. So my approach would be here to lean back, watch the chart, observe the chart, see how this correction unfolds. Are we actually in this fourth wave? If yes, then we're only just starting. There's just not enough data there. See how the week starts, right? But overall, the trend is up as long as we're holding 84 cents for now. And I would like to see one more high if this is the yellow count. And that would be wave 5 of C and D. I actually haven't added that C wave here. I need to do that. But overall, there's no sign for a major top yet. Okay, that's also very, very important. So yeah, that's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. If you're interested in the membership, you can find a description about it here on our channel page. It explains in 2 minutes what the membership is about. There are also some member-only updates. For example, uploaded XLM today. I know a lot of you were waiting for that. XLM, Sand, ICP, Aptos, one of the recent ones. But on Discord, if you're a gold member, there are many more updates and benefits. And today we also have our membership live stream at 5 p.m. UTC. That's the update about XRP. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.